My name is Jo and I have my Instagram page, Everything Jo Loves. I've loved interiors for a long time. I always had an interest in it, and when we built our own home, I guess that interest just escalated onto a whole different level. We live in a beautiful rural country village, and it is a very modest home. It's a 4-bedroom bungalow, and this is the second time we have done a makeover on our home, and this room at the moment is definitely my favourite. My inspiration behind styling our home, I think, really could be described as relaxed, traditional. Up until recently, we had quite, traditional colours within the home, but this time round we're introducing more neutral theme, which I am really enjoying. I heard about Material World from Instagram. I've seen their work on several Instagram pages, and when I started to follow them myself, I just absolutely loved their work. I was delighted to have my curtains made by Material World for this new makeover in our living room, and they are just everything I wanted and more. So myself and Material World worked together to create these beautiful curtains for the window dressing, and I didn't even have to leave my home. I simply sent on the dimensions of the window, told them the style that I wanted to create. They sent me on some beautiful samples in the post, and I was able to curate the look that I wanted from the samples, and they just did everything. They made the curtains exactly to how I wanted, and I'm just delighted with them. The finish on the curtains is just stunning. When I looked at the finer detail, there was not a single thread hanging out, there was no thread in sight. Everything was just so beautifully finished. The workmanship is just fantastic, and everything from beginning to end for me as a customer of Material World was just flawless.